Denmark as a confluence of people from both India and Denmark, and all those who are friends of India and Denmark. This is a mark of strong relations between the two countries, strong people-to-people connection, and essentially a mark of friendship. Friends, you know that India and Denmark are very close partners. We have a green strategic partnership. Our leadership, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and Prime Minister Her Excellency Ms. Mette Frederiksen have been in close touch relating to global issues and our bilateral relations, and it is time that the Indian diaspora and the people of Denmark also show their strong support to this relationship. The Indian diaspora in Denmark now has reached a number of something like 20,000 plus, and we have invited all the Indian diaspora associations to be here today. So it's a 12-hour long program in which you would see vibrant colors of India brought to this stage by each and every Indian association in Denmark, by a variety of cultural programs. There would be Indian cuisine in these stalls, and there would be plenty of things to do throughout the day. There would be something for children, there would be something for adults. Everybody who has loved India, who would like to go to India, you would find a small glimpse of India here on this stage. On this occasion, I thank all the Indian associations who are present here, and especially would like to thank the authorities of the city of Copenhagen, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and all the officials of the government of Denmark who have so closely helped us to organize this event. My also special thanks to the Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India, the Diaspora Engagement Division, which has generously supported this program, and also a lot of other sponsors who have come forward to celebrate this program for the first time in Copenhagen. And I hope that this year, when we begin with Namaste Denmark, this series would not stop, and every year we would be able to come back to this stage with greater and greater vigor. So thank you very much for your participation, and I again welcome you, all of you, to Namaste Denmark. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ambassador sir. And with this, the official program would be beginning. I would request dignitaries to kindly, vacate the stage for the great performance that we are actually having in store. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, just one group photograph if you can kindly take. Everybody, if you can come closer. Yes, Sugan. Yes, if you can come here. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much.